Hi Strong Bones friends, Susannah here with the Bridge Bundle Challenge. This month, as a group, we're all going to do bridge pose. Bridge is my most favorite bone strengthening exercise to do. It's a very safe back bend and it strengthens the spine and hips and just feels great. So, because we are doing bridge, I thought let's add on one or two other exercises that you know or think you could benefit from every day and make that part of your practice. In other words, it's called temptation bundling. You take an activity you're already doing and add something maybe you're resisting doing and make it become a habit. So for this month, I'm going to add to the bridge sit to stands and my physical therapy exercises, chest press. So if you'd like to join me, and again, you can choose any other exercises. Got to do bridge, but then you can take two exercises that work for you. Maybe you want to practice balancing. Maybe you want to do some triceps or bicep work. It's your choice. Okay, so now that we've got that figured out, let's get down on the floor for bridge. Be sure to come down carefully, engaging your core straight back. And once you're down, you might take a moment to lift your knees up and kind of do a little warm-up, little hip rotation, even shake out your wrists and your arms and your shoulders a little bit. Good. Then both feet come down, root down. Arms come down, either upper arm bones or the whole arm. Press down on whatever's on the floor. And then lift the hips up off the floor until, and not beyond, where you are a straight line from knees, hips to shoulders, so that you're pressing up the hips, engaging your butt muscles, engaging your inner thigh muscles, but avoid pressing the chest up. Find your breath in this position and hang out in your bridge. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Lift a little higher if you've lost some of your push. You can also do foot awareness here. You can lift your toes and spread them. You could plant your big toes down and lift the little toes. Switch that, little toes down, big toes up. I love to multitask when I'm in a position to keep it interesting and even more effective. Excellent. When you feel like you've had enough of a hold, you'll come down in a straight line, lower down, and then a counter pose is always called for. Perhaps a windshield wiper knees, perhaps picking up the feet and just drawing the knees in a little bit. Okay, remember each day you could do a hold version or switch to a dynamic version, up and down bridges. You may also choose to vary the position of your body to do a bridge in a slightly different place, like feet farther forward or even wider apart one day, and then just feel how that feels. You're working different muscles, and it's all good. Okay, so that's your bridge a day. When we're done with bridge pose, we're going to have to stand up. So why not practice sit to stands from this place? So from your back, you might be able to rock yourself up without rounding your spine, but you also might not. If not, you will roll to one side, and I'm going to use a little push with one arm to bring me up to seated. From here, I will come up to my knees, and then step one foot forward, curl back toes, and 2 feet up. And now I'm standing. From standing, I'll go back down without using my hands. Back down to my seat and legs out in front. I'm going to do that 2 more times as an exercise. Swing the legs to one side, lift up. Try to remember what's the other leg to step forward, curl back toes, and stand up. And then go back down. No hands. Again, swing around, lift up, other foot forward, and standing. Last time for me to go down, And I'm back down. Now, I promised you my third exercise. So the last piece of my bundle for me is going to be a chest press. And this chest press was assigned to me by my physical therapist. And it's just so crazy what she had me create as my weight. It's a weighted chest press. I thought I would share it with everybody. So here it is. She had me take a hammer, a regular hammer, not a very heavy hammer, and tape a 3-pound weight to it. Is that the craziest thing you ever saw? Okay, so this is my weight. I'm to hold it with my palms in, like so, and my arms and elbows are relaxed beside me. I'm doing this from my back. If you know how to do chest presses, you might be doing them at the gym on a bench, but I don't have a bench, so I'm doing this on the floor. Most important instruction is to relax the shoulder blades underneath me, exhale and relax, and then keep the weight, my hammer, straight over my chest. I push straight up, arms are straight, and I pause here in a relaxed fashion, but hold it for 10 counts. If my arms and shoulders get tight and my neck gets tense, I relax. Then, next key part of this exercise is to lower really slowly, right down to my chest, and then pause. Push back up. Hold for 10. So that's my exercise. I'll just show you those 2 moves. I'm to do them 10 times every day. And I just thought I'd share that with you. You do you. So for your bundle, maybe you'd like to try a chest press. It strengthens your chest, your shoulders, and your arms. Maybe you'd like to work on balancing. So after you've done sit to stands, do a tree pose or a warrior 3. It doesn't matter. It's your choice. Something maybe that you have been thinking in your head, that exercise would really benefit me. For example, tricep kickbacks, right? Maybe you've been thinking, gee, I want to work my tricep muscle. Do tricep exercises. It's up to you. So, but choose one. So, bridge, sit to stands if you like, and another exercise that's for you. And then you're going to share in the group and tell us what it is and do it every day this month. Ready? I'll see you in the group. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.